Do you like Halloween stories? I love them. And this is a very good one because we can make it together. Yes? Let's go for it. Okay, here's the book. Once upon a time, there was a... Alright, options. Option 1, you could be a witch. And option 2, you could be a werewolf. Oh, I love witches. Yes, I want to be a witch. Okay, I want to be a witch. What? I am a witch. I really like it. Okay, let's keep reading. Once upon a time, there was a witch who lived in a haunted house in the mountains. Right, more options. Option 1, you could get in the house by flying. All right. And option 2, you could snap your fingers and get in by magic. I want to do that. Yeah, I feel a bit lazy. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm inside. Great. Okay, let's keep reading. Once in the house. More options. You could drink a potion or you could eat a cake. Once in the house, the witch. Okay, I want to choose the option, the potion. Yeah, let's read the potion. Okay, where's the potion? Ah, here it is. Oh no! I am very, very small. What happened? Once the witch drank the potion, she got very small and lost her powers. What? I don't have my powers. I want them back. Okay, more options. Wait, no. For the witch to get her powers back, she could, option 1, ask the bat for some help or try to climb up the table. Okay, so I could ask the bat for some help or I could try to climb up the table. But I am so tiny, let's just ask for help. Bat, could you help me? Where's the bat? Bat, could you help me? Oh yeah, here it's coming. Great. And look, he takes the cake. Okay, here. All right. Thank you. Oh, wow. I'm again big. And wait, hold on, let's see. Abracadabra. Yes, my powers are back. Oof, lucky me. I like the story, but just a bit.
Hi children, so today we keep on working with the comparisons, and for that we need to fill the blanks with the adjectives and don't forget is, space, than. So let's do it together, and for that I need the blue pen and also all these beautiful colors that I have here. So let's start and let's see how can we do this. So the vampire's costume is, what do you guys think? Darker, bigger, fuller, and more scary. It's very similar to the exercise that we did just before. So let's try. I'm going to use the blue pen in this case. And let's see how can we do this. The vampire's costume is bigger, fuller, more scary, or darker. I think that the vampire's costume is darker than the witch's, right? Great, so let's write it down. So the vampire costume is darker than the witch's. The vampire's costume is darker than the witch's. So guys, you can also paint it from the inside if you want to make it more pretty. Let's keep on doing it. Next one. The ghost candy pot. This one is already done, so let's just paint it. We can paint it. So the ghost candy pot is in blue. I'm going to paint it from inside. It's fuller than the wizard's. Well done. Now we have it done. We can also paint the fuller in blue here like this, just to make it more pretty. There you go. Awesome. It's fuller. The ghost candy pot is fuller than the wizard's. Well done! Let's go for the next one. The skeleton pumpkin is the mummy's. So the skeleton pumpkin, we can see it here, it's bigger, right? So let's write it down. I take the blue pen. So the skeleton pumpkin is bigger. It's bigger than the mummy's. Well done. Okay, so let's go for the last one. The werewolf costume is, and we are just missing this one, right? So it's more scary than the scarecrow. Okay, yeah, it's very scary actually. So the werewolf costume is more scary, than the scarecrow. Well done, kids. Okay, so now we can also just go around with this, like for example, I use the yellow with the darker, it's darker than. Then I can use the orange color for the next one. It's bigger than. And I can use the red one, for example. The werewolf's costume is more scary than the scarecrow. There we go. We have it. Well done.